Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to replace the reverse lights on this 2017 GMC Acadia. Had a viewer request on how to replace the reverse light bulbs on this. Mine are not bad, but I'm going to take this opportunity to install Oxydo LED bulbs in that location. All right, we already got the tailgate open, and right there's your reverse bulb. You already know that, but that is where it is at. So there's this little access panel. Let me get a light here, see if I can show you a little bit better. You can see that light cutout. So you can, all right, switch to one that's a little bit stiffer. The other one's getting pretty weak on me. But once you get up there, you pop it and then come to the other one towards the rear. Pop it and you'll see there's two retainers there and there. They go up there, and then it literally is like a hinge to do that. So once you get that out of the way, get my light again. If you look, you'll see there is an 8mm nut there, and then an 8mm nut up through that hole there. So let's take both of those out. All right, once those nuts are off, we'll lower this down a touch, and then take your trim tool, get it right under the edge of the light towards the inside, and as the light comes up, it'll pop off. Now, you want to pry from this side, because on this side here, there's actually teeth that hold onto the body. So now we'll go ahead and disconnect the connector here. And to do this one, try to do this one hand without dropping anything. This red tab, and pull it back, and then there's a detent. You press that down, and you'll probably get the whole thing. And then just like that. All right, now this bulb right here, that is your reverse bulb. So we'll twist it counterclockwise with one. All right, had to use two hands because it's pretty tight. So now let's take the bulb, pop the bulb out, and we'll take the new Oxydo LED. Let me set this up on the tripod. Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah. So we'll take it, slide it in. You'd have to use a little bit of effort till it seats, and then we'll set it back in. Then twist it clockwise to lock it. This will actually go down. You'll see those little grooves for it. Just like that. Now we're ready to reinstall this. All right, installation is reverse of removal. So we'll take, see if I can figure out how to do this with one hand. Go and reconnect the connector, push the detent down. Then you want to make sure these here, you want to get those on the body first, and then kind of move it around until you get the studs lined up. Tap her like that. We'll lift this back open and go ahead and put those two 8mm nuts back on and just snug them down. You don't want to go crazy and break the stud off. All right, once those are back on, we'll take the little flap, line the two notches up, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and we'll grab the tools, we'll close the tailgate up, we'll use the key fob to see if they work. Bam! Wow, those are bright. And one advantage of going with LED for your backup lights, put my keys away so they don't rattle so much, is they're a lot brighter. Your backup camera is right there, so it will help your backup camera image. And then plate lights, I was gonna do a video, I probably will when I do it, but I need to put a socket on this side. It's all corroded. we had an issue with the water leak, and apparently it got down in the door and corroded that one. So I got to replace that. But anyways, that is how you replace the reverse light bulbs on this 2017 Acadia, 2017 to like 2019s, maybe 2016s. Anyways, that's how you replace those. We put Auxito LEDs in. No warning messages or anything. I've done a lot with the Auxitos and had really good luck with them. So that was all I got. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.